Alright, let's kick things off with a truth bomb. Epsom salt isn't actually salt, it's a naturally occurring mineral compound called magnesium sulfate. Most people know Epsom salt for its ability to soothe sore muscles after a brutal workout. But trust me, its powers go way beyond a relaxing bath. We're talking everything from banishing stinky feet to making your garden the envy of the neighborhood. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of awesome with this everyday miracle worker. Let's start with the classic use for Epsom salt, saying bye-bye to sore muscles. We've all been there, right? That feeling when you overdid it at the gym or just slept wrong. Well, here's where Epsom salt swoops in like a superhero in a bathrobe. The magnesium in Epsom salt is a natural muscle relaxant and anti-inflammatory. When you soak in a warm bath with Epsom salt, your skin absorbs the magnesium, which then goes to work on those tight, achy muscles. Think of it like giving your muscles a soothing internal massage. The warm water helps increase blood flow while the magnesium works its magic. And the best part, you don't need a prescription or a pricey massage therapist. Just a bathtub, some Epsom salt, and maybe some relaxing tunes. It's like a natural reset button for your body. Okay, let's talk about feet. Specifically, how to keep those puppies healthy and smelling fresh. Whether you're an athlete, a runner, or just someone who spends a lot of time on their feet, Epsom salt can be your new best friend. First up, athlete's foot. This fungal infection can be a real pain, but Epsom salt can help thanks to its antifungal properties. Soaking your feet in a warm Epsom salt bath can help kill the fungus and soothe the itching and burning. Got a pesky splinter that just won't budge? An Epsom salt soak can help draw it out. And for those of you who battle foot odor, Epsom salt can help neutralize those unpleasant smells. Just fill a basin or your bathtub with warm water, add a cup or two of Epsom salt, and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Your feet will thank you. Let's talk about something a little less glamorous, but equally important, constipation. It's something everyone experiences at some point, and let's be honest, it's not fun. But hold on before you reach for those harsh, over-the-counter laxatives. Epsom salt can provide a gentler, more natural solution. When taken orally, Epsom salt acts as a laxative by increasing water in your intestines. Mixing a teaspoon or two of food-grade Epsom salt in a glass of water can provide much-needed relief from constipation. Just be sure to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day to stay hydrated. Chapter 4. Stress? What stress? In today's fast-paced world, stress is practically unavoidable. But while we can't always control what life throws at us, we can control how we respond to it. And one of the best ways to combat stress and promote relaxation is with a good old-fashioned Epsom salt bath. As the magnesium works its magic on your muscles, easing tension and pain, your mind can finally unwind. The warm water helps increase blood flow, which can further reduce stress and promote feelings of calm and well-being. By incorporating regular Epsom salt baths into your routine, you're giving your body and mind a chance to de-stress, recharge, and prepare for whatever challenges lie ahead. It's about taking care of your mental and emotional health. Chapter 5. Reveal that radiant glow. Ready for some DIY spa treatments? Epsom salt isn't just for your muscles and mind, it's also fantastic for your skin. It's a natural exfoliant, which means it helps remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. You can create a simple Epsom salt scrub right at home. Just mix a handful of Epsom salt with a little bit of your favorite oil, coconut oil, olive oil, or even baby oil work great. Gently massage the mixture onto your skin in circular motions, paying extra attention to rough areas like elbows, knees, and feet. The Epsom salt will gently slough away dead skin cells, while the oil will moisturize and hydrate your skin. Rinse off the scrub with warm water and voila! You'll be amazed at how soft and smooth your skin feels. Epsom salt can also help with acne. The magnesium sulfate can help dry out pimples and reduce inflammation. Your skin and your wallet will thank you. Chapter 6. Gardening Secrets Revealed. Now let's step outside and talk about your garden. Epsom salt isn't just for us humans, it can do wonders for your plants too. Plants need magnesium to thrive. It helps plants absorb other essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, which are crucial for healthy growth. It also helps with chlorophyll production, which gives plants their vibrant green color. You can sprinkle a couple of tablespoons of Epsom salt around the base of your plants once a month, or you can mix a tablespoon or two into your watering can. Tomatoes and roses especially love Epsom salt. Chapter 7. Ready to ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of natural cleaning? Epsom salt is here to save the day, and your surfaces. It's surprisingly versatile around the house, tackling everything from grimy grout to funky washing machines. Let's start with the bathroom, where grime and mildew love to hang out. Mix equal parts Epsom salt and liquid dish soap to create a powerful scrubbing paste. Apply it to your tile, grout, and even the bathtub, and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, scrub away with a sponge or brush, and watch the grime disappear. Is your washing machine starting to smell a little funky? Run an empty cycle with hot water and 2 cups of Epsom salt. It'll help clean away detergent buildup and leave your washing machine smelling fresh and clean. For stubborn, stuck-on messes in the kitchen, mix Epsom salt with a little bit of water to create a scrubbing paste. Chapter 8. Outsmart those pesky splinters. We've already talked about how Epsom salt can help draw out splinters in your feet, but did you know it works for splinters anywhere on your body? The magnesium sulfate in Epsom salt helps reduce inflammation and swelling around the splinter, making it easier to remove. To use Epsom salt for splinter removal, simply fill a bowl with warm water and add a cup of Epsom salt. Soak the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the skin softens. Chapter 9. Soothing relief from bug bites. Summertime means fun in the sun, but it also means pesky mosquitoes and other biting insects. Epsom salt can help soothe the itching and reduce the swelling from insect bites, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. You can mix a tablespoon of Epsom salt with a half cup of warm water and apply it to the bite with a cotton ball. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Or for a more soothing experience, draw a warm bath and add 2 cups of Epsom salt. Soak in the bath for 15 to 20 minutes and let the Epsom salt work its magic. Chapter 10. Unleash your inner DIY guru. Who knew Epsom salt could be so crafty? Get ready to unleash your inner DIY enthusiast because Epsom salt is a surprisingly versatile ingredient for homemade crafts. From luxurious bath bombs to decorative jars, the possibilities are endless. Let's start with bath bombs. These fizzy wonders are all the rage, and for good reason. They transform an ordinary bath into a spa-like experience, and they're surprisingly easy to make at home. Epsom salt is a key ingredient in bath bombs, providing muscle soothing and skin softening benefits. You can use Epsom salt to create beautiful frosted glass jars. Simply mix Epsom salt with glue and water, paint the mixture onto the glass and let it dry. And there you have it, 10 surprising uses for Epsom salt that prove this household staple is anything but basic. From banishing sore muscles to creating DIY masterpieces, Epsom salt is the versatile MVP you never knew you needed. So next time you're at the store, do yourself a favor and stock up on this miracle mineral. Your body, your home, and even your garden will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more life hacks and awesome DIY projects.